cleaver of destiny? Have any of you guys ever heard of the cleaver of destiny? What's a family favourite?
Family favourites in my household would probably be stir fries, always good, middle of the week, time poor, in a hurry, everything's imploding in your life.
You're talking my language.
Quick and easy, meat on a stick.
Oh.
You can't go wrong, can you?
No, makes it fun.
Easy, straight on the barbecue, you can cook them in the oven.
Can you?
Yeah, you can walk away, just in the oven, about 15 minutes, 180 degrees, turn them a couple of times.
Yeah, in the oven, 15 minutes, that's one glass of wine. Okay,
That's one glass of wine, exactly.
I
One
could
beer
do
for
that.
me, anyway.
If I'm going to get some of your beef and veggie kebabs, what temperature in the pan should I cook them on?
Just do them a little bit of oil, like
Yeah.
a nice medium heat. Depends how you want the beef cooked.
I'd like it medium rare, like a normal
so
person.
probably just turn them every sort of minute or two.
After every quarter of a glass, turn.
Turn, that's right. Now we're
Easy.
talking.
Okay, great. I'll take 7 kilos.
7 kilos. A lot of kids.
So, Billy, something that is always a hit in my house
Yes.
is a beef curry.
Oh.
Can you help me with which cut of meat I should use?
Walk this way. Let's have a good look. My go-to for any slow cook is the grass-fed chuck steak. Good for 3 or 4 hours, low and slow, nice big flavour.
Which part of the cow is the chuck?
The chuck comes from the neck, all right?
Okay.
So most of these muscles are the harder working muscles. So the reason they need that little bit longer, that low and slow, is because they're hard working. They're a lot of labour intensive in their lifetime.
Like you.
me, exactly
you
right.
taste like this.
I'd say
Yeah.
I probably would actually. Another good one, low and slow for a long period of time, the grass-fed beef cheeks. Have you beef cheeks
I
just have
love
that
a beef
nice, rich flavour, but might be a little bit overwhelming flavour-wise for the kids though.
Yes, yeah.
Now I know you go to, because I've done it for you before,
Yes.
is the good old-fashioned grass-fed brisket.
I love a brisket.
Yes, I know you do, I know. So 8 to 10 hours, it's going to come up beautiful. You'll get that nice, soft sort of pulled beef texture as well. You want me to dice it up for you?
Could you please, Billy?
Of course, that's what we do.
Thank you.
Give me a sec. All right, Mel, well, some of my bets worked there. There's your beautiful brisket all diced up, ready to go.
Thank you.
Now, cooking instructions. Let's get serious.
Okay.
Firstly, season with salt and pepper. We're going to brown it off in a nice hot pan, a little
Okay.
bit of oil.
Yep.
Then we're going to move it with your stock into your slow cooker.
Is there a sauce or something I could get from you?
We do actually have a range up there. I would recommend on the left the tikka masala.
Perfect, I'll take that. Seasoned salt and pepper, brown in a pan, and then I'm free to do my own activities from there.
Then you've got the 8 to 12 hours to do whatever you like, Mel. All right? I don't need to know. Not my business. Just do my meat justice. Make me proud.
I will not let you down, Billy.
Good to see you, Mel. Take care.
Thank you.
See ya.
Okay. Should I use the COD, the cleaver of destiny? I'll probably lose a finger. All right. So what I'd like to do first is dice my beef. Oh, hang on, Butcher's already done it. Thank you, Billy. So I'll get all my veggies chopped. Let's sear off our beef. So in the same pan, we've browned the beef off. Let's chuck in our veggies that we're going to hide from children. I like to do this when my child's not watching. We'll put all of our meat back in and all of its juices. Don't be afraid. That's all the flavour. Open your beautiful jar of store-bought curry sauce. And then in 10 hours' time, we'll have a beautiful curry. This is my curry. The veggies are hidden pretty much. They've disappeared into the sauce. Just a couple of little bits of meat. And then for me, that is my tender, slow-cooked beef brisket curry with hidden vegetables, served on rice. What more could you want? I don't have to chew. Oh, God. I'm only chewing it because I like chewing. Oh, my God. That is amazing. It's time for some curry and some trashy TV. I hope I did you proud, Billy. Hey, Cleaver of Destiny, you're not that weird after all, are you?